If you have potatoes and eggs at home, you need to try this healthy air fryer dinner. In a bowl, I added blended sweet pepper, onions, and spring onions, chili pepper, curry powder, thyme, salt, dark soy sauce, olive oil, and mix well. I peel and cut the potatoes into cubes. I add the potatoes into the sauce. I mix everything well, making sure the potatoes are fully coated with the seasoning. I place the potatoes into the air fryer at 180 degrees for 20 minutes, flipping them halfway through. While the potatoes cook, I prepare the egg sauce. I blend fresh tomatoes, onions, and sweet pepper, and then crack the eggs for the sauce. In a pan, I add some olive oil to heat for some time while checking the potatoes and flipping them halfway through to make it crispy. I add chopped onions and allow to fry for a minute, and then I add the blended mixture and allow the water to dry slightly. I add thyme, curry powder, some chili pepper, salt, seasoning cube, mix well, and allow to cook for 2 minutes. Next, I gently add the beaten eggs and stir slowly until cooked. I like to add spring onions, but it's optional. You can add any vegetable of your choice at this point. The potatoes are ready, crispy on the outside and very soft on the inside. Finally, I add the crispy air fryer potatoes and mix everything together. And just like that, you have a healthy, delicious, and budget-friendly family dinner. Thanks for watching and bye.